Ebusiama wakwaba emfa embra attention TV so and there the edition of Valentine's Day wo fila eso enti eneno ye be hwe Valentine ye den yenya Valentine Ghana memo ha say ya dodo na kase ende ye chewodo show your love na trese ende edebia obi ye opone obi ekeka wachi ama bufuye ama akayo bi aba woni obi ntema mo be siesie na bibia atoto din sana Yesu Kristo epie ne wawo nenu onyam a munnam bekobi ma mentwa me ho na metwa ba me the story na na se ne ye ba ya Valentine ba ya nkasa no me de ba be so mo attention TV so na so ansa na mpacho subscribe mame na share attention TV so Facebook and Twitter woni na attention TV ma mentwa me ho embassy ya Mama wakwaba enfamba attention TV so attention TV there you say we inspire more and the 14th of February yaka 14th of February na ye kire say show your love ododa na ododa no so na enkire say obi ne kanchema na ye odon da bi obi tin obi kawo obi kekawo chi no na ye dan na wase wokoni panenche oh brother mbachom ye sorry pa ne ye no oh sister Pachom ye sorry pa nyame ye no eninte na makeka bibia asie ne sana Yesu Kristo epie ne nyonyam ma ye na ye bekobi enti na Valentine's Day ho but ene the special edition of Valentine fella and the special editions Valentine fella eno nti ye be hwe ne nam so a Valentine eba Ghana memu ha sei ye be hwe ne nam so a Valentine eba wiase memu ha sei ya dodo na edru the middle of February 14th of February ye celebrate Valentine and the dodo na hye red now so enye kokko enko a ana yehye edidi Valentine o hwemi a magimi yellow ayin atare ne yellow na kire se minim colors edidi Valentine dodo na ejim se eye kokko da bi ene me the secret of Valentine hu ni na ebebro enkire se uni red and e was boka ekoto atare kokko efa bedi Valentine colors bebre ho a e kire odo no nso betimi ahye edi Valentine ebusia attention TV Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. Oko ho ya attention TVGH. Oko a o follow no like na wa share e de amaye. O comment bi so na wa comment so e de amaye. Abusuafo ma mentwa me ho sima ba kopɛ e ba me de nchemu e ba be so mo. Ebusia for me that say pa ye se wonya bre e de twa ma metwa me ho sima pe e de e ba ye ma me fa ensem no abeso modia and the edition of Valentine's Day na kire say ye be churchill nyama bi e fa Valentine ho na enam so e ma Valentine e ba Ghana memu ha say na wiase fa nani na e do the middle of February you see a celebrate Valentine na Valentine ye kase meaning dia na ye kase all the card e komo bi dodo na ya na water gift ana say teddy bird ana say bibia ya troso odonwuma na ye de akoma obi obi ya dono na so ye kase Valentine nkasa dia na enye say obi a wodo no kwa a day of love, day of appreciation na kire say obetimi obi a wakaka obi a waye ne bone otimi to card bi ana say teddy bird bi e de koma no e kire ne say oh sister maye wade na so fache me na so ansa na yenya Valentine e wo Ghana mem ho asana we say afa na hanimi na no na ye wo obi a ne ye friend no Saint Valentine na oye Catholic priest no Catholic priest yenka say na our Rome in the 3rd century you see yenka say 21st century na mkofo bisa na 1st century when 2nd century when 3rd century when 4th century when 16th century when 18th century when you see 21st enti papa ye friend Valentine na oye Catholic priest or the 3rd century na ye nim nsem bebre fa Saint Valentine ho nim se Saint Valentine eye obi a oye adroye papa ye wo Ghana memo ha sei na Saint Valentine so obi a na oye ade a chesa wo ye ne bone kro no kwa de onwe ho obetimi ato ade e de acho na Saint Valentine enso obi a okoda prison na so prison ho na okoda no ama no embu no abonfia e ma ne ye sep omno mo prison ho no na no obeboa omo okoda prison because say o make law be asori ehye but when they want shembra na the guests ya no mo wo honwe say yenim say Roman Catholic for there omo ware but ono de bread day you see ni din this Saint Valentine tin nim say Valentine en trust ya and say ye chirodo na ye dido na ye so semas anu no eno ana na ye nto no de oto ne hu sia so we dey mo say mema ye nka ne say omukọ eko a omoja omyere mu wo fie anase won hyedan fom won yere hu no ono ana na wo fom no wa ware om na chese Saint Valentine o Valentine na numum ana Catholic for ede eche no na chese o ye Roman father ye ware kra enti ono de o hyase se wo ware anema Roman for eche no na so prison ho na okoda ye no oye na adwen se meda prison so me ye Mese Joseph me yente sa atayi mu me nkoda prisoner me nhyeda enye hwe babra na oda prison honom no na oda so eye papa de ma wona oda prison honom ni na ye hye se ye beku no 14th of February na ye hye ne se beku no ye be execute no 14th of February na so na owa akola bia ye friend no ye friend no jailer na oye ni friend na sebsebe akola Saint Valentine wa wo penny passem osanko wo ya na chirese ne ba no eye ni friend eno nti ye friend jailer na we ana Saint Valentine e wo prison hono no 14th na ye ko execute na se ye kokunu no o cho love letter e de command ba jailer ne ya cho so from your Valentine ya cho so from your Valentine e ho na ma Valentine e ba ye na ye ka Valentine now almost 20 years now. I proclaim it 14 February to be a Valentine's Day. Na ye kaswa na pagan for and Roman Catholic for no omo wo ritual bia omo year February. Na omo sanso in the middle of the February na middle of February chema yes 30 days half September, April, June and November. All the days are 31 except February alone. Na February there it was 28 it do 29 yes a leap year. In the one hour time 29 for 10 day on birthday a leap year and into ye chema na a 14th into ya no mo akadia na siwe kakra wo ya wodi ekuse yo February mu na yedi ni fefe efe afei mayenko kalesa yedi edi birthday ana yedi di Valentine eho yinti yebeka ni brofo yewi a na ya kyerɛkyerɛ mu edi akɔ twi mu sana obibia ebete ase yefa kala ya na dodo na etai ehye edu Valentine's Day na se yakase Valentine no eye color red no yensha ase ewo ho yakase Valentine eye color red dia na yakase the color of ascension, lust, and dominance. Red is the symbol of intense possession and affirmation that you love them with a capital L and want to be with them for the rest of your life. This color represents deep passion and respect for your loved ones, which is why it is the most common color on Valentine's Day. If you want to choose red, a scarlet red is the best choice due to the moderate color intense. Not just say you can say color B red. You can say red crown you will moon soon ye say oh share red for Valentine there was so share scarlet red in scarlet red me and the so for TV ne so naturally say wow winning red ni yes Valentine and go share red go on there ye nya bre cro and no be ana wo be share ye wa color bi so et say pink yetimi e share ye di Valentine ye be share na eno no meaning say I appreciate you not just say color bia any ni meaning say ye call orange so a obetimi ahye orange ye Valentine's Day na no nkyere say uni red ana say uni pink e wo nwomem a untimi enhye orange I am passionate about you. I am passionate about you. And no, any orange. Wait, my orange dress on your Valentine's Day. You call purple swa or say I am enchanted by you. I am enchanted by you. Say only colors na makbobo etwemuna. Wait me I say purple no. I am enchanted by you. And so you did Valentine Emmanuel ye call white so I say fitana you see we are young and in love. We are young and in love and so betimi a share ye ba ne amenso me share ya yellow ya you say I love being friends with you naturally say ahase na me kan ye Valentine and shada enye wona work say world date and as serious relationship be moye na fofo and say mo afna mo hu and as mo konkra na maboma no kra no birthday to celebrate Valentine. Not just say I love being friends with you. You say love is not only about lovers but also friends. When you choose this color, you appreciate every moment of your friendship, every joy and caring that you give to each other without any romantic harbor. Unless you have a fear of being friend zoned, we would love to recommend you the astral flowers, which represent the love beyond the universe. Obetimi so opa na o red now so o red top only down a wode be share o down red now we need top out be share betimi enso ashe white say ye kan na aboma we are a great match ye kan na aboma na we are a great match etim pacho aya na enwa hu bebre say Valentine's Day ye numbre o pie da be ha ho so betimi ashe red and white o betimi ashe yellow o betimi ashe white o betimi ashe purple o betimi ashe orange o betimi ashe pink o betimi so ashe red ase obia enim no me say unya fun time being with me me church or na Valentine esi e ba into Valentine no ye celebrate e de kai Saint Valentine na oye adoye papa na ne so adoye ebi mada e ma ne fa so na wo jaila o cho letter de come ne ba jaila o cho so from your Valentine say ne do ne papa ne do no na nya Valentine e di e free mu abusia fela o fela ni Attention TV es ne me das and have a great Valentine's Day.